Annie, and today at Vital Farms we are making a green shakshuka. This is a fresh twist on the classic Middle Eastern and North African dish that's poached eggs in a rich stewed tomato sauce. But instead of tomatoes, we are celebrating spring here today with a vibrant and fresh mix of greens, herbs, and spices to poach our eggs. This is a really easy dish and it's perfect because it's just a few ingredients and great for your next big brunch party. So let's get started. First, I'm going to preheat the oven to 350. So I'm gonna put this large skillet on medium, wait for a little bit for it to heat up. A nice drizzle of olive oil. Let it warm a bit. Okay, we are going to add in our roughly chopped onions and then our roughly chopped leeks. Then we're gonna season lightly with salt. Okay, maybe this is a little more than lightly, but salt is love. You can always use more salt. And some pepper. And we'll go ahead and stir. We're gonna cook this down for about 5 minutes. Okay, perfect. And now we're moving on to the spices. So we've got our coriander here. I'm gonna do 1 teaspoon of coriander. And then we've got our za'atar, and we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of this. And then we are also going to add our garlic in and give it a nice stir. You can smell all the spices. It's coming to life. All right, and now we're going to add in our roughly chopped kale. Make sure your pan is big enough. And then our roughly chopped cilantro. And then our roughly chopped dill. Look at all that green. Green, green goddess. Now it's much softer, so I think we're good to go. Add in the broth. Give it a stir. All right, we've got our burner off because most of the broth has evaporated. You can see on the bottom, there's not too much there. And now we're gonna make 6 little wells. Leave a little bit of green on the bottom so that our eggs don't stick. I'm gonna do 1 in the middle. So we're gonna do 6 eggs. 1 into each of these wells that we've made. Woo! Got too aggressive with the egg cracking. And our 6th egg going right into the middle. And we'll do a dash of salt and some pepper. And there we go. It's ready to go in the oven. Oh yeah, look at them, they're perfect. Little wiggle, still got some jiggle to them. Whew. Look at those beautiful eggs. And now we're gonna top them with a little bit of goat cheese and pine nuts. And now my favorite part, we get to try them. Wow, look at that. The best way to eat this, in my opinion, is with a nice piece of toast so you can sop up all that jammy goodness of the egg. Get some of the green on there. Perfection. Plus the butter. No complaints there. All right, drop a frying pan emoji into the comments if you're gonna make this recipe, and you can find the entire recipe at the Vital Kitchen linked below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes like this one.